Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex swing trading, using the TC2000 platform. Hello, this is the speed run for the 21 Forex currencies on 17 August at 11 p.m. Central Time. Start off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. We're in this trade. We had two green candles north of the RL10, and go ahead and move the stop up to the RL10. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. We're in this trade. We had two green candles north of the RL10. Move the stop to the bottom of the second indicator candle, the low. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. We were in this trade based off the daily bracket. Came back, stopped to south. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. We're in this trade. We move the stop up to break even plus dinner for 2. Aussie dollar, US dollar. We're in this trade. We're in 2 orders, both the weekly high and the bracket order on the first day. We move the stop to break even plus dinner for 2. A little bit more than break even plus dinner for 2 since we're in 2 orders to the RL10, which is the edge of the river. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. No trade. 2 green candles north of the RL10. South of the RL10. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We have moved our long order to the height of this particular candle. So we have 2 red candles south of the RL10, which are against the overall trend, which is in the summer. 2 Heikin-Ashi candles in there. I'm not going to take this trade to the downside. As you can see here, it is a green candle, red candle, red candle, green candle. So we have no distinction up here. These are the Heikin-Ashis, but the momentum seems to be going down. So we're just going to keep the long order at the height of this candle. Keep moving it down until it decides to retrace, if it decides to retrace. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. We were in this trade and we're stopped out at the low of this candle. We have 2 red candles south of the RL10. Again, just waiting for it to go north at this point because there are nothing but long trade at the weekly low and at the weekly high. Euro Aussie dollar. We have an RLXD on the weekly and we're just waiting for more potential to the upside. So at this point we have summer, fall. If it goes back to summer here, this particular MACD 1030 crossovers, then we have what they call an emerging dragon, but we have to wait. Euro Canadian dollar. We were in this trade. We had 2 green candles north of the RL10, went back, stopped to south. Euro Swiss franc, same thing. We had a bracket trade for the daily, went up. We moved their stop up to the low of the second candle, and it came back, stopped to south. Euro Japanese yen, same thing. We had a green candle here that triggered a daily bracket trade, kept the stop at the hump of the dragon, came back and stopped to south. Euro New Zealand dollar, we're in this trade. Moved the stop up to the hump of the dragon. Euro US dollar, we're in this trade from the daily bracket, continues to move up. We're in 2 orders. I'm going to move it up to break even, right between the weekly high and the bracket order. Zealand Canadian dollar, no trade on the short. We have a Z3 no trade with 200 moving day average, so the risk to reward is very low. High risk to low reward. Zealand Swiss franc, we're in this trade. We can stop down to belly of the dragon and see where it goes. Zealand Japanese yen, we're in this trade. It triggered on the weekly low and hit our target at the Z3 excursion for a nice gain. Good trade. Zealand US dollar, we're in this trade and we move the stop down to the hump of the dragon. US Canadian dollar, we were in this trade. We have two orders right now at this time. We had the weekly low. It's triggered here, hit the weekly low. It was here, daily bracket to the weekly low. Now we're below there, so we're going to move the stop to break even between both trades. See what happens. US Swiss franc, again, broke. Since the daily bracket was low, this would have been a good trade to take, even though it was close, which is right at the RL10. I didn't take it, could have taken it. Now you're in 1 order, so I'm going to move the stop down to the belly of the dragon. See where it goes from here. US dollar, Japanese yen. As you can see, it went right back into the Heikin-Ashi is red, went right back into its collapsing dragon mode. We had a daily bracket that was placed here, went down. We're in 2 orders now at this point, so I'm going to put it to break even right at the RL90. Well, folks, that's all I have for the speed run, the 21 Forex currencies. We're currently conducting a Forex bootcamp and a Forex intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Happy trading, everyone. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information on TC2000, I have an affiliate link below. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.